Class, this is a daily 5 journal lesson for pre-K, kindergarten, and first grade. Go ahead and get out your journal and let's turn to our giraffe poem. We are giraffes. We are giraffes with long, long necks. We have lots of big brown specks. When we reach high up in the sky, lots of leaves are what we spy. We are giraffes with long, long necks. We have lots of big brown specks. When we reach high up in the sky, lots of leaves are what we spy. And we have learned so much about giraffes this week. A giraffe has short horns. A giraffe has thick eyelashes. A giraffe eats acacia leaves. A baby giraffe stands up fast. And today, I've taken my inspiration from a read aloud that is a fun book, Giraffes Can't Dance. And so I'll be using that for my inspiration today. The very first thing I'd like you to do is please write your date. May, capital M, A, two-letter A, May 22nd, a 2 and a 2. Now, when you listen to this story today, what you'll notice is that giraffe has some dance moves that it didn't know it had at one point in time. And so I have a few giraffes that I've drawn to show giraffes in motion with some dance moves. Here's a giraffe idea for you. Here's another giraffe idea for you. I tried to make these giraffes, oh, look at this one, it's my favorite, like spinning around doing a handstand. I tried to make these giraffes look like they were in motion. I'm going to move the book and fold my journal so that you have the chance to observe these other giraffes while I'm doing my drawing today, okay? I'll put them right here so you can see them in case you are inspired to use one of these giraffes in your drawing today. But I'm going to do a different giraffe that I haven't done yet, okay? And so I'm going to make my giraffe stand up tall, do that letter U, and do a smile for an ear on both sides, a rainbow arch reaching out to the ear, come in a little bit on the head, and then a couple of horns, right? I like to give my horns a little angle, and then put a little circle on top, and then across the top of the head with another rainbow arch. Okay, and for the face, I like to do 2 eyes, another rainbow arch with nostrils. All right, now it's time for the motion to happen. Ready? A long neck. There we go. A round body. And one leg kicked out in front. And another leg kicked out. I'm going to go down and up, showing that it's kicking its legs up. There we go. Okay. One arm in motion back here. Just make a little bend, and that makes it look like it's in motion. And one arm in motion up over here. And then it kind of looks like that giraffe is getting ready to boogie woogie, huh? And don't forget about that cute little tail coming off the back here with a teardrop shape. There we go. And then, of course, you can add your reticulation spots if you would like to. And some are small and some are big, these little paint splotches that look like they're part of a giraffe body, huh? And there's really no right or wrong. Giraffes are unique because of the spots they have. There we go, a few up here. Now in our story, in the read aloud later, you will notice where that giraffe is when he learns that he can dance. He is outside dancing in the light of the moon. It's kind of dark outside and there's some moonbeams around. And he's doing his best dance, and there's some hills behind him. This. And maybe some grass, and you can add those details later. And today for my question, for my sentence, I'm choosing to write a question. You see, the title of this book is Giraffes Can't Dance. I'm going to switch that around and I'm going to ask a question. Can giraffes dance? Let's start with a capital for our first word, can. K, 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 a, can. Leave a space. Giraffes. J, the first. Giraffe. Giraffe. Two F's. Giraffe. Silent E. Giraffes. Can giraffes dance? We can use our resources right there. D, da, dan, s. And this is C making a soft sound with a silent E. Can giraffes dance? That is a question, so our punctuation will be a question mark. I cannot wait to see the details that you choose to add in your journal today.